Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can hide and show your item ID on document. So on TranZact we do have a functionality where due to confidential region or due to buyer or supplier demand reason, you don't want to show the item ID on document. So now on TranZact you can hide it. From where? So you need to click on all modules. Now you need to go to settings. Once you will go to settings, you need to go to document and then select the document fields. Once you will come in document field, click on option. Now please check. This is for my invoice and here is an option of show item ID in document. I can quickly just make the changes and I can select other document also like order confirmation or like purchase order. So on purchase order, in order confirmation on purchase order, please remember to select the buyer or supplier. So please check here, show item ID in document is selected. If I will unselect it, then once I will create the PO, the item ID will not get displayed on the PO. Same you can make changes for the order confirmation. Select supplier from here. Now here unselect it and please check. Once I will create the order confirmation, item ID will not get displayed there in the final document. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in order to manage your item ID hide and unhide. Have a good day ahead.